Hello friends, in previous class we added the number line addition. We added the numbers on number line. Okay, we added the numbers on number line. Okay, without using number line also we can do the addition of integers. Addition of integers. How we can add without using the number line we will learn in this class. Okay, in this page number 4. Page number 4, second row. While doing the addition of integers, compute the following. Compute the following. Compute the following. That means we have to take here. Compute the following. While doing the computing, we have to remember 3 steps. For what is the first step? First step. Remove brackets. Remove brackets. What is the first step? Remove the bracket. While doing addition or subtraction, same model only. Remove the brackets. While removing the brackets, which steps we have to follow? Bracket before inside. Same sign is there. We will get a plus. We will get a plus. Bracket after we will get a plus. Okay, bracket before inside. Same number is there. We will get a plus number. We will get a plus number. Otherwise, we have opposite numbers. One is plus number. One is negative number is there. Then we will get a, after removing the bracket, negative number. We will get a negative number. Okay, remove the bracket by doing the addition of integers without using number line. First step we have to follow. Remove the brackets. Remove the brackets means by removing the brackets, bracket inside outside, same sign is there. We will get a plus. Okay, that means same sign means plus plus, minus minus. Both having the same sign means we will get a plus number. Okay, if you have opposite sign means one number is plus number, one number is a minus number. One number is plus, one number is a minus. That means plus or minus. Then we will get the negative number. Then we will get the negative number. Next is second stage. After removing the brackets, numbers having same sign. Numbers having same sign. Numbers having same sign is add. Numbers having same sign. Add. Numbers having same sign is add. That means plus number is there. We will get two numbers, add numbers and plus number. Okay. Okay, minus number is there. We will add those numbers, give minus sign. That is the second step. Okay, numbers having same sign. Numbers having same sign. Add. What we have to do? Numbers having same sign is add. We have to. Then add. Then add. Then add. Adding means we can take plus number. Both are the plus numbers only. Both are the same sign numbers. Without brackets only, we have to follow this one. Without brackets are there, then only we can add numbers. Okay, these having same sign. Plus number means add that one. Give the plus sign for the result. Okay, two numbers having same sign here. Minus. Then add these numbers. Minus also there. Add these numbers. Give the minus sign for the result. Next is if numbers having opposite sign. If number having opposite sign, subtract. If number having opposite sign means what we can do? Subtract. That means one number is plus number is there, another number is minus means subtract. Okay. One number is minus number is there, another number is plus is there. Then subtract. By doing subtraction we will get a result here. Okay. Result we will get after subtraction. After subtraction, which number is bigger? By throwing the minus sign, compare the two numbers. Which is bigger? That number sign you can apply. That means either plus or minus we will get. Either plus or minus we will get. Either plus or minus we will get the solution. This is the computing. By computing we have to follow two steps. Computing means to solve integers. Either addition or subtraction we will follow like this one. What are the steps? Those are, if brackets are there, then only we can remove the brackets. Brackets not there means we will follow this step. Directly step. What is one? Remove the bracket. How we can remove the bracket? Bracket inside outside same sign is there, we will get a plus number. Bracket inside outside opposite sign is there, we will get after removing the bracket minus number. Okay, after removing the brackets, what we can do? Numbers having same sign and, okay, without brackets are there, numbers having same sign and, that means plus plus. Without brackets only there, then only we can add. Brackets are removed after only how to do the second step. Plus number, both having the plus number. Add the numbers and give the plus sign. Both having minus sign. Add the two numbers, give the minus sign. If both numbers does not having same sign, that means numbers having opposite sign, subtract. Subtract after whether plus sign or minus sign we will get. That is the answer. We will do the sums related to that one. First question, 7 plus 3. Without using number line, we will do this one. Without number line, 7 plus 3. What will be 7 plus 3 is plus number. Both hands. Is there any brackets? No. Brackets not there means we will go for the second step 2. We will go for the step 2. Plus number is there. Both are having same sign. Same sign means what we can do? Same sign and opposite sign, subtract. Opposite sign, subtract. Same sign add. Same sign add. 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, what is the sign here? Both numbers plus. And 5 consider. Go for the second number. 8 plus or minus 3. Is there bracket is there? Yes. Is there bracket? Yes, bracket is there. We have to do 8 plus or minus 3. The bracket is there, so we have to remove the bracket here. Okay, 8 does not have bracket, so 8 bracket. Bracket before our inside. I want to remove the bracket now. What is the sign before and inside of the bracket? Plus or minus. Same or opposite? Opposite. Plus or minus. Opposite means what we can get? Minus number. Minus 3. Okay, 8 having plus sign. Is there any sign not represented? There is no sign before the number means that is taken as a plus. There is no sign before the number that is taken as a plus. Okay, is there minus 8 minus 3, both having opposite sign. Both having opposite sign. One number is plus, one number is minus means what we can do? Subtract. 8 minus 3, subtract 5. 8 minus 3, subtracted 5. 8. Here, after subtraction, we are getting plus number and minus number. I want to know. Then minus we have to close. After doing the subtraction, minus we have to close. Minus number. In this 8 to 3 are available to see here. In these two numbers, which is bigger? 8 is bigger. Yes or no? 8 is bigger. 8 is bigger. 8 before which sign is plus. So result is plus. We will go for the next question. These sums do your own. Third Roman 11 plus 3. Fourth Roman 14 plus or minus 6. 14 plus or minus 6. Next one, fifth Roman 9 plus or minus 7. Okay, these are model of this one only. Second one model only. These four are. Okay, next one, sixth one 14 plus or minus 10. 14 plus or minus 10. No, you will go this. Okay. Next one, seventh one. We will do the seventh one. These four sums complete yourself. Okay. Otherwise, I will say this for this one. 14 plus or minus 10. I will say this one. Okay. From what we can do? First, remove the bracket. 14 does not have a bracket. So 14 here. 14. Okay, plus or minus. So, bracket, by doing the bracket, inside and outside having opposite sign. Opposite sign means what we can get a negative number. Opposite sign means what we can get a negative number. Negative number means minus 10. 14 having plus sign. We here not having any sign, so that is taken plus sign. 14 having plus sign. It is minus 10. Minus 10. Both having opposite sign. Numbers having opposite sign means what we can do? Subtract. Without brackets, opposite sign numbers are means subtract. 14 minus 10. 4. Now we close the minus sign. 14 10. Which is bigger? 14 bigger. 14 before which sign is there? Minus sign. Minus or plus? Plus sign there. Plus 4. That is answer. We will go for the remaining these three sums. Third one, fourth one, fifth one. Do your work. Okay, complete yourself. Next one, seventh one. What is the seventh one? 13 plus or minus 15. 13 plus or minus 15. Okay, that one we want to complete. Okay, first step always say follow these steps only. Just numbers will be changed there. We have to follow these steps. First remove the bracket. Remove the bracket is available there means you have to remove the bracket. Later add or subtract. Add or subtract according to the sign of the numbers. Okay, now remove the bracket. 13 having bracket? No. So write 13. Okay, here we have bracket. Okay, bracket before inside. Opposite side is there, same sign is there. Same sign means we will get plus number. Opposite side means negative number. Here opposite side is there, negative number. Negative number means minus 15 and negative. Now we have to subtract. 15 having minus sign, 13 having plus sign. Both are having opposite sign with bracket, without brackets. 15 minus 13 means how much? 2. 15 minus 13, 2. Okay, now minus close. 13, 15, which is bigger? 15 bigger. 15 before this sign is there. Now lift the hand. First close the hand. Minus sign, close the hand. 13, 15, which is bigger? 15 bigger. Now remove the hand. 15 before this sign is there. Minus. Minus is bigger. Enough. Next go for the 8th one. What is 8th one? 4 plus or minus 4. 4 plus or minus 4. First remove the bracket. 4 plus to minus means what we can get? Minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So okay, eliminate sums also. Same model only, do your own. Previous model only. Second sum model, these are. 10th one. 10th one, 100 plus or minus 80. Plus or minus 80. 11th one, 225 plus or minus 145. These three sums also do your own. These three sums also do your own. Okay, we will go for the subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Either addition or subtraction of integers, we have to follow this one only. Either addition or subtraction, we have to follow this one. Now we will do the addition of subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Exercise 3. Okay, then exercise 3. Exercise 3. First one. Addition of in integer number line is same only for the integers subtraction also. But by moving the direction only different. By moving the different direction only different. Okay, represent the following. Represent the following subtraction. Represent the following subtractions on the number line. On the number line. Okay, what is the question here? 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Okay, 7 minus 2, I want to do the subtraction using the number line. Same what I have done at addition of integers, same only we will follow here. But one thing remember, what that remember, okay, by marking positive number, move right, move right. By marking positive number, move right. By marking negative number, move left, move left. By marking negative number, positive number, move right. By marking negative number, move left. Next, bracket inside outside, same sign, same sign. That means plus of plus or minus of minus is there. Move right, move right. Plus of plus or minus of minus. Same sign is there means move right. Bracket inside outside, same sign is there means move right. Right means we have to move towards something. Okay, positive numbers only. Okay, opposite sign is there. Opposite sign is there. Move left, move left. These conditions you have to remember. These conditions we have to remember. We can do very easily. Okay, positive numbers. By marking positive number, move right. By marking negative number, move left. By marking negative number, move left. Okay, bracket is there. Bracket is there means bracket inside outside. Same sign is there means move right. Same sign means move right. Because same sign means we are getting here positive number. Positive number means which side we will move? Right side. Okay, the opposite side is there. Right inside outside. Opposite side is there. We move left. We move left. Okay, now we will subtract this one. 7 minus 2. Die number 9. Die number 9 here. Then 9. Okay, what is the bigger number here? That number you have to cover on number line. Compared to 7 minus 2, 7 is bigger. So we have to 7, 0, up to 8 we have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 1. While moving right side, we have to mark on above the number line. Above the number line we have to mark. While moving left side, mark below the number line. Okay. Now 7 is completed. 7 is here. 7 is here. Now minus 2. Minus 2 means negative. This side we have to move. Minus 2 means negative number means we move towards the left side. Left side how many steps? 2 steps. 1, 2. Already we done. How we can move the steps? That means up to 5 we have to move. Up to 5 we have to move. 5 is the answer. That means we can write 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. We will go for the next one. 13 minus of 88. Second one. 13 minus of 8. 13 minus of 8. Draw a number line. Okay. Now have to write 0 here. 13 is the bigger number. Plus 13. So up to 13 you have to write. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By marking numbers, you have to maintain equal distance between the every two digits. Okay, what is the distance here? Same distance only you have to write. Okay, don't write like this. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Don't write like this. This is the wrong notation. This is the wrong notation. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Up to 16 hundred. And now first mark 13. Where it is 13 located? 13 here. 13. 13. Okay, now next number you have to mark the number. Minus of minus. Minus of minus means we will get a negative number, positive number. Minus of minus means positive number. Minus of minus means positive number. Positive number means which side we can move? Right side. Right side how many steps we have to move? Right side 8 steps we have to move. Right side 1, 2. From 13 onwards we have to move 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 steps we have to move. Okay, then 16 is there. Okay, which numbers are missed there? Those numbers are there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. What is the final number is there? 21. That means if you move 8 steps, you will get a 21. If you move 8 steps, means we will get a 21. That means we can write 30 minus or minus 8 equal to 21. Which 21? Plus 21. Less than 21. That is the answer. Okay, same one only. Do your one. Third one. 19 minus or minus 5. 19 minus or minus 5. This one. Do your one. Same one only. Okay. Next. Integral one only. Fourth one. What is the fourth round again? Wait. I can. Okay, third one I will explain. So first one, third one. 3 minus 7. Okay, don't do that one. Previous one I told 15 minus 28. That one no need to do. 15 minus 21 no need to do that one. That is third one is this. That way. First one. That is the second one. Okay. This one we will do 3 minus 7. Do our number line. Okay, first draw a number line. Okay, 0 right. Here positive number which is 3. Up to 3 we have right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one number extra I have right. This side 1, 2 we can write. Okay, and 3 we have to mark. 3 here. Here is there any bracket? No bracket is there. Minus 7. Minus 7 means we can move left side or right side? You can move left side. Minus 7 means we can move left side. Left side means how many steps we can move left side? 7 steps. Okay, 3 onwards we can move 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means what are the numbers? Which numbers are missed? Minus 3 missed, minus 4 is missed. That means final after completion of 7th step, where we located? After completion of 7th step, we located at 4, minus 4. That means if you move from 3 to minus 4, it will be minus 7. Minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means minus 4 is the answer. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Okay, these sums, fourth Roman. These two sums do your one. 15 minus 14, fifth one. 5 minus of minus 8. 5 minus of minus 8. Do your one these two. Okay, last sum I will explain. What is one? Sixth one. Minus 2 of minus 1. Minus 2 of minus 1. Okay, first draw a number line. Number line 100. What is the number here? Minus 2. Before bracket plus is there. Plus or minus means which number that is minus number? 1, 2. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here no sign is there, that is a minus plus. Okay, bracket inside outside. Opposite sign means we can move left side. That means it will be minus 2. Minus 2 only you can take directly. Minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, minus 2 after that. Minus or minus 2. Bracket inside outside. Same side is means we can move right. Right, how many steps we have to move? 1 step. 1 step completed. Minus or minus 1 it is. Then after completion of the step, we located at minus 1. That means we can write minus 2 of minus of 1 equal to minus 1. That is the answer. Okay, we go for the next one. Second one. I think all have completely understood the addition and subtraction of number line on number line. Addition of subtraction of integers on number line. We understood that one. Now we can do the solve. Solve is nothing but a compute only. In previous starting of this class, we done compute the sum. Compute addition. Addition or subtraction we done there. Similarly, solve the following also same only. How we will do that one? Two sums I will explain. Remaining sums do your work. Second one, solve the following. Solve the following. What is the sum? Say first one, 17 minus or minus 14. 17 minus or minus. While computing or solving means we have to remember these steps. First remove the bracket. after that one add or subtract according to the sign of the numbers. Okay, now we have to remove the bracket here. First here any bracket is there? No. 17 is not right. Bracket here bracket is there. Bracket before inside. Same sign is there. Same sign is what we can get a plus sign. Then plus number plus 14. And now 17 having plus sign and 14 having plus sign. Add these two numbers. Okay, by adding these two, what we can get a 31. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 10, 31. Okay, here plus number, here plus number. Both are having same sign, plus. So, plus sign is written right here. Okay. Similarly, by following this model, you have to complete these also. Okay. Second one, 13 minus of minus 8. Third one only. Fourth one, 15 minus 28. Fifth one, 25 minus 33. Do your work this. 8th one, 32 minus 1 minus 80. Okay, these four sums by following that one completed. Okay, the meaning we will discuss later.